Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishan Mao here. And wish me good luck for the very test flight, maiden flight of mini SkyHunter from Sonic Model. Thank you very much, Sonic Model, for sponsoring us the SkyHunters, mini SkyHunters. Mine is ready. I'm gonna do maiden today, and that's why I'm asking, and that's why I'm saying wish me good luck. Ari's probably is ready, but he's cheating. He's laminating the wings and the fuselage. Man, as I said, well, I cheated a little bit as well. I installed a BL Heli SESC with amazing throttle response. Anyway, so this is the maiden flight of mini SkyHunter. Before the flight, let me show you some of my setup, and let me show you some of the difficulties that you will also meet when you have this. And of course, the manufacturer has been duly informed, notified, and advised how to correct those issues in this plane. And after that, CG looks nice and balanced. We'll just throw it in the air and see how it goes. I would like to first give you a heads up right here. These nuts and bolts that will actually secure the tube, we have 4 of them. One here, one here, one here, and one here. Unfortunately, after tightening them just a little bit, they will break, and you won't be able to hold or secure this tube, and it will move all the time. So what I did, so we notified the manufacturer about this issue. They are working on it, and what I did was I just went 502 and other glues and made them permanent at all these 4 places. But before making them permanent, you need to make sure that your tail is perfectly horizontal and parallel to the wing, because if this one is a little bit left and right, you're gonna have issues during flight. All right, so that was the issue. After that, there's no issue. It's all about BL Heli SESC and its powerful performance. It's spinning a master air screw 8-inch propeller, and to save it from hitting the ground upon landing, I have 3D printed 2 ugly little Batman type of mustache I don't know, Batman type of devices, and they are making the plane stand really nice. And I believe 1 or 2 landings it should handle properly. Oh yes, I found one more issue, and that is the stickers. These stickers are not of a good quality. They come off, you know, after a while. So wherever I find they are coming off, I'll just take them off anyway. Otherwise they will flutter and cause disturbance. Enough said. Let's prepare the baby for flight. Checking the reverse. Yes, my ailerons are reverse. My elevator is okay. There's no rudder, so ailerons reverse. I had to set a lot of dual rates because I use the most I think the middle holes on the servo connectors. So throws are amazing. Anyway, here we go. I'll just put the elevator up a little bit anyway and see how things go. Wind probably coming from here, so here we go. Okay, elevator throw looks good. It's holding its line. Little bit of aileron trims. Having no rudder, that's a bummer. More aileron trims. So I have to fly it like a flying wing. Okay, aileron trims, too much now, much better. Man, I need sunglasses. Today is beautiful. It's a little bit wobbly because we have lots of winds today. So far it's flying really nice. I'm keeping up with the speed because unfortunately I can feel this plane might not have gliding abilities, so I'm gonna keep the throttle a bit higher anyway. I don't want to turn it into a staller's brother. Here comes the lower pass right over my head. Ooh, it's nice and fast. Fast enough, I would say. Throttle response is amazing because of BL Heli ESC. Now I'm flying it like a quadcopter. That's to see how much G-forces the airframe can take before it snaps in the air and I shoot a good crash video. So far it's disappointing me. It's taking all the G's really nicely on these sharp figure eight. Wait for it, I have a 5000 milliamp battery to put more stress on the airframe, and we will see how things go. Man, the agility on this bird. I mean, check it out. Alright, I'm gonna go a little higher to test the gliding ability. Alright, and throttle to 0. Nose down to pick up some speed. So far so good. It's gliding. I don't want to stall it though. Glides fine, but you cannot be way too slow on this bird. So that's like my 50% throttle, and that's my cruising speed, which probably looks more than good. I don't have an autopilot yet. At the moment I'm completely manual on this bird, because this is what you need to do. First you need to fly your bird manually, trim it perfectly, and then install your autopilot. I can see that on a straight run it still climbs up a bit on 50% throttle, so I'm gonna reduce the elevator a bit. Ooh, nice, beautiful, awesome. And now it's like 25% throttle. Sweet. So it's still flyable on 25% throttle, but mostly 50% is where I would like to keep it. Let's fly it like a quadcopter again, man. I'm bored flying it this way. I mean, take advantage of brushless heli SESC firmware. Check it out, can you hear it? The throttle response is simply amazing, man. Alright, let's do some aerobatics, shall we? Loop the loop, roll the roll. I'm really flying it like a quadcopter now. Man, those turns are amazing. The agility on this plane is beautiful. It's superb. I mean, the controls, that I mean, definitely offers a lot of control. All right, it's time to test my 3D printed temporary propeller saver and see how it goes. So I have to land from this side because the wind is coming from my left. Let's walk a bit, and on 40% throttle I'll try to make an approach. If I sacrifice my 3D printed stuff, I'm okay with that. Okay, the nose one came off as I expected, but the rear one really stood there. And my propeller is a scratchless. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. So the front one, I just need more area to stick. That's why it came off. Very little area. I definitely need more area to stick it. Let me see. Fuselage is all okay. Looks good. No problems. And these are 3D printed ones, so they will survive just for few landings, man. All right. No crashes. So happy about it. And the plane is behaving and performing absolutely fantastic. Just missing the rudder on it, but hey, apart from that, this is absolutely fantastic. It flies very well at plenty of speed, plenty of control, plenty of agility, and it is smooth. So far it does look smooth, but let's put an onboard camera on the second flight and see how it goes. Thank you very much, Sonic Model. And Ari, where is your beautiful plane, man? My SkyHunter already did a very good flight. You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.